Lindsay, what are you doing?
Putting the mechanical fuel pump back in that you had rebuilt.
Oh, the one that I did on the table?
Yes, sir.
I had to make new rubbers for that, by the way.
This?
Yeah, that was fun. They were like you, broken rubber.
Well, you know, what can I say?
Yeah, it is what it is.
Yep.
But yeah, if this thing runs and drives today, then all I have to do is fix the exhaust leak and set the tow. And then, yeah, John can finally take his baby home. Yay! And then Scotty's Jag over there making coolant peepees. Coolant peepees. Coolant tinkles. Tinkles with coolant. So we fired it up. I watched it actually take the fuel that was in the glass bowl, drained it down, and then it refilled it. Our pump is now pumping, boys. Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Look at Scotty working on his shag walk. Ooh, this is a good. Scotty, look up. This is a good, cute picture for you. There you go. Oh my God, John's gonna laugh. So we're running. We ain't leaking. All right. Look at us. There we are. Pumps a pumping. Yay! That was way too much work because they can't sell us a right good pump.
Of course.
So what do? We make 1 out of 2.
Sure.
That's done. She's a little cold still. All right, let's hit her again. Hit her again, bud.
Ready?
Go. I'll put the air cleaner on it. I'm gonna take it for a test drive, and then next week finish the exhaust leak. Oh, you're checking your cooling system stuff. So next week we gotta align it, which is just gonna be set to tow, and then fix that exhaust leak. Easy peasy, boys.
Easy peasy.
Woohoo! That's a good victory right there. Give me another spritz, eh? Get in the front there. Yeah, it sounds like the accelerator pumps. Because once you get her idling, she's good.
Yeah.
Let her idle. Hit her again. Alright. It's like it's got no accelerator pump. Bernsey, do me a favor.
What's up?
Unhook the hard line here at the back of the carb coming from that fuel bowl.
This right here?
Yeah. Let's see if it's pumping.
Even pumping and fuel in there?
Which I think it is because the bowl's full. Is there some gas coming out?
Not yet.
Ready? I'm gonna crank it.
Yeah.
Put your finger over it. Put your finger over it. See if you can feel it. That's weird, because we know the car has fuel in it.
Thermostat.
On yours? Oh,
It's the only thing I can think of.
all right. Well, anyway, back to this. So it's not... All right. Well, here. Next step. The inlet side of that filter housing. Undo that and see. No, nothing. Weird.
Sure we got fuel?
Oh, I just dumped 3 gallons in it this morning. Ah, this car today. Well, it was pumping. All right, we're gonna order a rebuilt pump from somewhere and
Just go from there.
go from there. That's the only way we're gonna be able to do it. So, yeah.